with no democracy. Equal citizens. Arabs will be equal. Arabs live as equal citizens in a Jewish state. You're almost. Wait
a minute.
I was a rabbi at Oxford University for 11 years. This is a travesty.
Did you graduate from there?
This is.
I'm answering this question.
I know.
Arabs or not?
The country.
Arabs or not?
Mohammed.
Aha.
Mohammed, let me speak. Let me speak. We live in a.
No, let me finish. Let me finish.
Shmuley, with no democracy.
Shmuley.
Let me come to Mohammed.
You are not a Muslim. You're an Islamist. You're an Islamist.
Let me ask Mohammed a question. Let me ask Mohammed a question.
For your health.
I am a rabbinical.
Honestly,
can I speak?
This is pointless.
Go on.
Let me be clear.
Off topic.
Don't interrupt each other. My only observation, Rabbi Shmuley, so far, you're being more personal and ad hominem than he is.
With all due respect, every answer is on what basis? On what this? On this? What's your source?
Even if you have a question, right?
Okay.
Are you scared to hear the response?
Go ahead.
Calm down.
Do you condemn them or not? Get your head into the debate and do you condemn them or not? See, all of these countries are praying for Islam. Stop the victimhood. Now it's 2-on-1. Stop the victimhood. You love portraying yourself as a strong man. This is not a debate. This is someone else becoming the host of the show and now interviewing you. I thought we were being interviewed. Listen.
And you keep answering for him, and in fact, when you actually ask him questions,
because
he gives you straight answers.
If Mohammed Hijab wants to be a representative and ambassador of Islam, then he has to take responsibility for his position.
I don't want to be any of that.
He actually said that Islam believes in... I didn't write a book called The Warrior.
It's called the Israel Warrior, something like that.
Thank you. Thanks for plugging it.
Fantastic.
I appreciate that. That just went and killed 1,200 people, burned them alive, beheaded them, and took 250 hostages. I think Arabs and Israelis should be able to live wherever they want. I want Arabs to live in Jerusalem. I want Arabs to live in Tel Aviv. I want Jews to live there. I don't believe in the Judenrein in Israel. I don't believe in Arab. I am so proud that Israel has 1 point.
What you should be less proud of is the rapid expansion of these settlements on the West Bank.
That's
it has been incredibly divisive.
Do you condemn that?
Because he will
bring
defend
it back to the debate.
I will.
Bring it back to the topic.
He will defend Hamas's butchery, savagery. He doesn't care that Hamas is an abomination to Islam because
Stick on topic.
And to call all the British people who defeated the Nazis, stop interrupting me. If you're a real man, go to the Middle East and fight. What are you doing in a television studio?
Fight with him.
Can we move to the last one?
You should be there. You have the right to fight with the
I'm not.
You use your sons like human shields.
You try to bully people in debates and it's criticized and thrown into jail.
Mohammed.